Oof, it's raining. Hello guys, welcome back to the Rachel's Family Plan TV. It's raining day. Today I will be shown by Avatar World. Let's go to the rainy beach picnic day. Watch the video until the end, it's very interesting. So let's go picnic at the beach. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to the picnic. Alright, okay everybody, let's go. I'm so excited. We here at the picnic beach. We here. Yay! I'm so excited. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Woohoo! Let's go up the stairs. The panicking. Yay, we here at the picnic raining day at the beach. Be careful, don't touch the water, it's very dangerous. Yes. Wow, you got picnic blanket in the world. Now put all the picnic basket. Alright, let's go. Let's open this picnic basket inside. Wow, we got apples and sandwich and salmon. This is so cool. Tasty. That's delicious. Hi guys, welcome to ice cream. Ice cream! I want it! Me too! Same! Alright, let's go! Wait. First need to eat the apples and sandwich. Oh, sorry. Yum! Yummy apples. Let's playing ball. Be careful, don't touch the water. That's dangerous. Now putting a picnic basket. Alright, let's go. Yay! Whee! Woohoo! The ball is flying in the air. Great job, guys! Now let's try again. Come on, Mommy and Daddy. Let's go. Yay! Great job! You can do it, guys! Go, 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 go! Yay! Yay! Go, 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 Jaden! You can do it! Yay, 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 yay! Go, 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 go! Woohoo! You can do it! Yay, 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 yay! Go, 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 go! Yay! Woohoo! Okay, your turn, Brooklyn. All right, ready, go. Whoa! Okay. Yay, playing ball. Woohoo! Yay, wee, woohoo! Yay! Woo! Whoa! Yay! Great job! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Yay! Great job! Ice cream! Ice cream! Look at that, there's ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! Hi! Hi! Welcome to the ice cream store. How may you help you today? I want to buy a strawberry. I want a banana ice cream. I want a plum ice cream. And the chocolate ice cream coming right up. Okay, let's make this. Ooh, yummy. Yummy ice cream sherbet. I like it. You could add some sprinkles. And this is strawberry sauce. Yummy desserts. Yes, I agreed. Here you go. Adding some leaf sauce. And this is all the sprinkles are one. And there you go. Here's your dessert. Thank you. Yummy desserts. Yeah, I agree. Me too. Okay, let's eat dessert and ice cream. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's eat. That's delicious. Mmm. That's delicious. Mommy, Daddy, let's eating ice cream is almost done. Great job. Let's go home, guys. Okay. Okay. Now let's put in a picnic table back. Let's go home, kids. Yay, we're finally. Let's go to Halloween trick-or-treating. Can you after, Mom and Dad? No, Rachel. This is 31 October 2025 is going to trick-or-treating, right? Aha! Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.